Preparation of payments, maintain business partners. In this activity, we assign a dunning procedure to a customer to be able to execute the collection management procedure. Log on to the SAP FI-AR Launchpad as an accounts receivable accountant. Open Maintain Business Partner. Find business partner and we give business partner number 1810001. Start. Double click on this. Select FLCU00 Customer Financial Accounting. Click on Switch between display change. Now this is changed to change organization. Click on company code. So this is account management tab, customer account management tab. Interest indicator 01, standard interest calculation. Go to correspondence tab, whether dunning procedure assigned or not. So 1001, 4-level dunning notices every 2 weeks. So we should take care of that dunning block should be not blocked. And the dunning clerk will check the dunning clerk, Mrs. Moneypenny. So he will manage this customer. So we'll check the address right now here. Clerk's internet address, publiccloudsap@gmail.com. Save. Display customer list. In this activity, you can quickly access customer master data information and for validation purposes, for example, identity fields with missing data by checking for blanks. Log on to the SAP FI-AR Launchpad as an accounts receivable accountant. Display customer list. So give company code 1810 and customer 1810001. Click on go. So now you can see the customer. So click on blue link for customer name. So this is the customer name, blue link. Name of the customer column. The customer details dialog box display information about the customer. So click on this. So these are all the details, contact details. So is the mail ID of the customer and phone number and address of the customer. So like way. So if we click on the customer column, so you can see the dialog box will links the additional process functions. For example, clear incoming payments and process receivables by customers. So we can see all the list of transactions and reports. So you can see all the kind of information by using this option. Enter invoice without sales order. Log on to the SAP FI-AR Launchpad and accounts receivable accountant. Create outgoing invoices. Create outgoing invoice. Customer 1810001. Invoice date, I just want to give 01/2024. I'm creating old invoice. So December 1st. So today is 20th December. 01. So system is giving information that down payment exists for 11,200. Okay, this is the information. And PO we receive from the customer. So I'm just giving the PO number 123 as the reference. Amount 1,000 and 18% GST. I'm giving 1,180. currency INR, calculate tax. I give the tax code IGST 18% GST. So for GST, we need to give the business place and section code. So I'm giving business place, section code. So GST partner is determined. Now GL account 41000400. So sales revenue without cost element, with cost element. So amount is 1000. Profit center I give, here is the profit center YB101. Now we'll give the profit center profitability segment. So this is what profit segment. So click on here and we give the customer number here. So 181000001. So click on the derive. The fields derived. So functional area, segment, profit center. So this information already derived, and click on OK. So like this, right, we post the invoice. Post. So here is the document number 18 all zeros 32 was posted in company code 1810. Mass upload, mass import of customer invoices. Create an electronic spreadsheet with the invoice details to be uploaded with a maximum of 500 items in a single file. Business partner BP master data exists. Ensure that you completed manage default account assignments. Log on to the SAP FI-AR Launchpad and as an accounts receivable accountant. So open FI-AR application, upload customer open items. Customer upload customer open items. So here download the template. Click on download template. So template language English and format MS Excel workbook. Download template. So choose download to continue. Enter the following content into the template data section. Note, the template has hidden columns. If you don't see the fields, unhide the columns as needed. Note, ensure that you use the correct date format in the template. So here we downloaded the file. Select downloaded file and prepare the Excel sheet. So here almost all, how many fields there? How many columns there in this file? 160 count there, 160 columns there. But we don't use all the columns. So based on the requirement, we'll enter the data. So document sequence number. So how many documents you are uploading into the system? So 1, 2, 3 like that. Each row is one document. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that we give the sequence, and company code and the transaction, whether it is invoice or credit memo, customer number, reference, PO number of the customer, document date, posting date, document type, document header text. So what currency you are posting the invoices, INR. So gross invoice amount. What is the business place? So this business place is important for GST. So section code also we are giving, and these are all the different fields which are not required. Almost all 160 columns there. So tax code I'm giving F3. F3 means 18% IGST. Tax reporting date, today's date. tax date, today's date. So this is the address of the customer. If he is one-time customer, we need to provide address of the customer. Otherwise, no need to provide. So system will pick address from the customer master data. So now GL account items section, company code 1810, GL account 41000400, revenue. So H is nothing but credit. Revenue account is credit. Gross item amount 1,180. It includes GST 18%. 1,000 is the revenue amount. 18% is the GST amount. 180 on 1,000. Tax code. Profit center. So then this is the additional profitability segment fields. So I'm giving customer number. So like this, we need to prepare the file. Close the file. Save. So here, this is the transaction. There is upload. So browse, go to downloads. This is the file we prepared. Upload. So these are all the documents. I think there are 2 documents there. So document sequence 1 and 2. These are all the PO reference numbers. And so select both. Post. Check. So check process may take some time. Refresh the list to get the checking results. The processing details. Choose view application jobs. Ready? Here, this is the document. There is error message. We'll see what is that error. Log. Section code 180 does not exist in company code 1810. So file, there is a section code. We entered wrongly. We'll rectify it. Section code. So here, this is the section code we entered wrongly. We rectify it and load it. Close. Go back. So here, edit. We can edit that section code. So here, where is the section code? Here it is the section code. I updated. Go back. Save. Okay, again we check it. So now it is in process. Refresh. So we rectify the errors. Right now, we just click on the error and we can see the error message. We rectify based on the directions. So both are ready for posting. Post. So documents posted. View application jobs. So these 2 are the documents. Run details. This is the success. These 2 are the documents. So system posted 2 documents. Like this, we can load multiple invoices in the system. So invoice reporting, if you implemented SAP collections and dispute management, so an additional license is required for the collections and dispute management. Execute the collections and dispute management test script. If you have not implemented SAP collections and dispute management, continue with the procedure in this procedure. So this procedure is nothing but the management of the invoice reporting. So that is nothing but the first step in that invoice reporting, the dunning notices. So we create the dunning notices, nothing but reminder letters to the customer for the due items and overdue items. So we create and schedule dunning run and print dunning notices to the customers. This activity is considered automatic as the system selects the overdue open items and the due open items, determine the dunning levels of the accounts in the section in the question, and create dunning notices. This activity finds items to done for all customers assigned to the dunning clerk. So accounting clerk or dunning procedures. 2 dunning procedures are provided. 1001 is the one of the procedure. Dunning notice every 14 days, 4 dunning levels. 1002 dunning notice 30 days after the invoice has been created. So some prerequisites are required. Maintain customer master data. So there we need to assign dunning procedure 1001, assign accounting clerk and dunning clerk. So here just go to maintain business partner, start. Here customer financial accounting, click on company code, switch between display and change. So customer correspondence. Here this is the dunning procedure we need to assign in the customer master record. So this information is required, and one more thing is dunning clerk also required, who is managing those dunning letters to the customer. So these 2 fields are important. Dunning block should not be there. So here dunning block not blocked. So system, if you block it, system will not send any notice to the customer. So it should be not blocked indicator in the customer master record. There are invoices past due. Some invoices right now, just now we loaded the invoices, right? We posted 1st December 2024. Dunning history for the last dunning run is 14 days older, or otherwise no proposal is created. Now we create the dunning notices. So log on to the Fiori Launchpad as an accounts receivable accountant. So create dunning notices. One minute, we'll go to maintain. Whether we saved it or not, we'll check it once again. Customer financial accounting, company code, correspondence, customer correspondence, not saved. So I will put it 1000. So I remove this. So system will update automatically. This information also system will update automatically. Dunning clerk, save first. Accounting clerk also assigned. Now go to application, create dunning notices. Dunning notices. Run date. Run date I want to give 4. Run date 4. Click on parameters. So dunning date, today's date. And the documents posted up to today's date. Company code 1810. So my customer is 181000001. Additional log. I give customer codes. We can give from to save. Go to status tab, right? You can see parameters were maintained. So the required information we maintained. Then click on schedule. So here output device LP01. This is the output device. Continue. So start date is this, and click on the start immediately. Dunning print with the scheduling. Select this. Okay. Dispatch. So here status is select and print the scheduled. Select print is complete. One dunning notice generated, of which one are to be sent. One dunning notice is printed. Only customer we sent, and dunning run is completed. So after you completed your review the document, choose back button to return the dunning view. Dunning history. Go to. So here I just want to click on the LP01. We'll see the document. So not this. Sample print. Company code 1810 and customer 181000001. So sample printout. So these are all the different information, what are the document numbers it is trying to print. Okay, so go back. Go to display document. This is the letter. So this is the dunning letter, 3 pages letter. So what are the informations are available? So since we have not reached to our previous dunning notice, we have had to calculate interest on arrears like this. Right now we can print the dunning notices like this. So now go back. Go to dunning history. This is dunning history. Account type D. Account type D. Company code 1810. Customer 181000001. Execute. So these are all the dunning history. So 1, 2, 3, 3 times we sent letters. So like this, we can see the dunning history. Open correspondence. We create open item correspondence. There are 2 options for this procedure. When choosing correspondence, SAP 09 internal document, a journal entry number is necessary before executing the report. We recommend that we use procedure B and use the manage journal entry new version. SAP FI-AR app, you have to find a journal entry number and then create the correspondence for the other correspondence reports. So prerequisite, invoice and payments are posted. Business partner BP master data such as email address and so on are updated. So now create correspondence. First procedure, we have two procedures, right? So now the application is create correspondence. Create correspondence. So now the company code is 1810 correspondence, right? We have different correspondence. I just want to create first correspondence SAP 06. SAP 06 is the account statement. So is the customer, I'm selecting customer. Customer is 1810001 and the documents posted from, so the document posted from entire December and to date up to today, right? Click on preview. So system will right now, this is the account statement. What are the documents posted? We can see, and this information we will send it to the customer through mail, or we can take the printout and send it. So like this, right? We can generate the account statements and send it to the customer. For example, SAP 13 create correspondence. SAP 13 is the customer statement. Customer is, that is customer account, and this is customer statement. Last statement, current statement. Review. So these are all the different document numbers, right? Again, preview, and if you want to send this through mail, we can send it to the customer and take the printout. So go back. If you want to take entry view document, again create correspondence. So here correspondence, for example, internal document entry view, journal entry, I'm giving invoice document number, year 2024, preview. We can generate the documents, internal documents, and we can take the printouts, we can send through the mail. Okay, so this is the first option. Manage, right now, manage journal entry, that is the application where we can print the documents. So go back. This is home screen of FI-AR Launchpad. So click on here, manage journal entries, new version. Company code 1810 and ledger group empty. Journal entry. This is journal entry, and journal entry date I'm giving. So I will give. So I posted some documents on December 1st. Click on go. So these are all the documents available. Now select journal entry, create correspondence. In create correspondence, again we come to the create correspondence section and we give the internal document or internal document. So here again preview. Otherwise send mail to the customer. Display correspondence history. In this activity, display a history of a correspondence that was sent to a customer. Log on to the SAP FI-AR Launchpad as an accounts receivable accountant. So open display correspondence history. So give company code 1810 and customer 1800001. Click on go. So these are all the history, right? How many times we created the correspondence, right? We can see history. Otherwise, you can create correspondence from here also. So just click on here. We'll see the correspondence preview. This is the PDF. This is the invoice number, and you can see the details of the correspondence. You can print it and send it to the customer log. So here there is a log. So display message log. So this is successful, right? Now these are all the 6 informations, and 2 are the successful. These are all the informations we can ignore.